Here's how you can upload your driving license on the Cars24 website. First, log in to your Cars24 account. Go to Profile and select My Bookings. Scroll down to My Purchases. Under My Purchases, select your car and click on Track. You'll be directed to a new page. On the left-hand side, you'll see 3 sections: Add-ons, Car Insurance, and your tasks. Under Add-ons, you'll need to complete the required selections. First, go to Warranty Plan. Scroll down, choose your preferred plan, and click Add. Next, move to Car Servicing. Scroll down, select your plan, and click Add. Then, go to Car Care Packages. Scroll down, choose your package, and click Add. Once these steps are completed, click on Proceed to Next Step. After completing the insurance process, head to the Your Tasks section. Click on Upload to verify your license. You'll be redirected to a new page where you'll need to enter your details. Under License Type, select Full. Enter your driver license number and choose your license state. Next, upload clear images of the front and back of your driving license. Once everything is filled in, click Next. And that's it. Your driving license will be uploaded successfully.